Here are Piper's puppies at 5 weeks. There's Sam. There's Cherry. There's Rocky. And Oreo. And here's Fudge.
Hi, Fudge.
Hi, pretty girl. Chill. Here, sit in. Look at Sam, he's getting this blanket. Got all these toys and they want to chew on a blanket. Here, don't you, Oreo, huh?
Oh, the fan!
No, don't put those out here. No, no.
No.
No, yeah, those are for night-night. Put those up. Hi, Cherry Berry. Oh, watch out, baby.
Sam was the biggest.
Hey, Fudgy. Rocky, what are you doing? Uh-oh, Oreo's escaping. Come here. Here you go.
Hi, Fudge. Hi, Fudge.
Hi,
Buns.
Hi, Rocky Road.
Hi, Buns. Hi, Buns.
Fudge.
Mom, what's Sam's last name?
I don't know. Oh, watch out. Hi, Cherry's. Hi, sweetie Petey. Cherry's the first to greet you with the pen. Yes, you're so kissy. Just a love bug. Oreo's the more mellow. She's getting more playful, aren't you? Yeah. Tell us about it, Rocky. Well, tell us. Fudgy and Sam are the talkers. But Rocky's going to be to her.
Mama.
What? Get it.
Mama,
Get it, Oreo. Hey, Sam. Look at your little face.
Mommy.
Watch out. Oh, Fudge is chasing Finn. Oh, she getting you, Finn?
Oh boy.
She bite?
Yes.
Yeah.
Man.
Rockies, you're so cute. What's
Oh,
fine?
well, he's pooping, I think. I thought.
It's alright.
What if he poops?
We'll wash it.
Ding dong.
Get it, Oreo.
Oh, ding dong.
Jimmy John, right here. Jimmy John. Finn named him Jimmy John when he was born, so it kind of his nickname. Yeah, Jimmy John.
He's the most holiest one.
He's cool.
Ding dong.
Now get it, Cherry. You get it, Cherry. Get it, girls.
Howdy! Howdy, puppies!
Howdy, puppies.
Oops! Is she getting you? She getting you? She getting you? Oopsies!
Careful.
Oopsies! No puppy! No puppy! Oh, look at him. Ow! Oh, look at the one on my back!